Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Steve and I'm going to show you why the OCP add-on is your one-click answer for reducing crashes and speeding up the viewport. Let's dig right in. Number one, exact mesh duplication. OCP clones your original object model pixel perfect. What does that mean? That simply means you can take any object in your scene, make it the active object, and click under the copy exact mesh. When you click this, it's going to clone that object and it's going to replace it with an exact low poly representation. Next on our list is automatic low poly proxy. It's instantly going to swap in a lightweight proxy. You may or may not see it actually happen. If you have a really high poly mesh, you'll probably see the swap. Now this is probably my favorite part of the OCP add-on, that it is capable of doing this. Now this is the clone representation, even though we have the active object as the original, and this is by design. There's only 25,000 faces here. If I click delete all OCPs, we'll get everything back, and you'll see that this active object has 101,000 faces. Now the copy still exists, and the logic behind OCP will actually find that object and reload it for you if you click that. And now we're back to 25,000. Now to get a better understanding of what just happened, let's compare the original object face count with the low poly representation that is now replacing the original in the viewport. Now I'll show you this because it is a little laggy in the viewport, so this is a perfect opportunity. I'm going to Shift D, make a copy, and you can see this is already kind of lagging, so the benefit will be immediate. I'll go ahead and click OCP on this object. It will go ahead and do the clone for us and drop the poly count. Now, if I grab the object, we're at the 25,000 faces, and over here, we're at 100,000 faces. Sometimes people count in different ways: vertices, edges, faces, triangles, or all of it as an entire scene. But now you can see the viewport literally just sped up, and if we do this, grab this one, I'll OCP it as well, and this is just for the copy exact mesh. Now the viewport is a lot faster and I don't have any lag. Now this is the most important part of the OCP add-on and the one that absolutely makes it a game changer. Viewport only visibility. Proxies never show up in your final render. Let's take a look. I'm just going to go ahead and press F12. We'll get our render. You'll notice this is the object that has the copy on it. The copy has the decimate, and then the original object has the is viewport on it. Nothing is going to show up in the render. Your exact object not decimated with all of the textures and UV mapping intact. And that wraps up our look at OCP, the one-click proxy. Exact mesh duplication clones your exact model so you don't have to fight to figure out what's in the viewport. Automatic low poly proxy instantly swaps and gives you a lightweight proxy in its place, doing the heavy lifting for you. Viewport only visibility, the guarantee of OCP that these proxies not only speed up your viewport but never show up in the final render. Now let's not forget some of the other key features that OCP is capable of. Grabbing any active object, you'll have the custom proxy area here where you can add any custom proxy you want. Now, the cool thing is you can actually add any type of object you want into this custom. So if I wanted to come here and go ahead and add Suzanne, I'll scale it down to something manageable. Let's apply that scale. And I want to add a new category even to this enum, which has humans, some miscellaneous, primitives, rocks, and trees and plants. And so we could probably just go ahead and add a new category, and we'll just say this is my cat or my category. Hit enter, hit OK. Now you're going to have my cat right here, which stands for categories. And then I can grab this active object and say add proxy. I'll go ahead and add that in. It'll take a second or two. And once that happens, now we can go ahead and grab my cat, load it again, and we've got this. So now if I want to select the object here, I can go ahead and add my very own custom object in. Now, there's a lot of other benefits with OCP, and I have other tutorials to cover that. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put some links in the comments and in the description. And another one of the amazing benefits of the OCP add-on is that I myself and my collab partner offer actual product support. All of these quality of life improvements add up to hours of saved time and frustration eliminated, so you can focus on being creative and not waiting on your viewport. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like, smash that subscribe for more Blender Pro tools and tips, and let me know in the comments which OCP feature that you are most excited to try. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.